Prophet peace be upon him. I therefore request Ahmed sir to please come onto the stage and recite a Naat Sharif for all of us.
Celebrate the success of our students who got selected in NEET and JEE 2018 and encourage to those who are aspirants. In 2018, it was the second year of Hope Classes, second year establishment of Hope Classes. Hope Classes provided highest percentage of selections among all the institutes of J&K State. We provided 28 MBBS selections, 9 BDS selections, and 20 students got selected in JEE Mains. So far, results have been highly encouraging, giving us more reasons to hope for major transformation of competitive education. Our result-oriented professional approach has proved a boon, giving us zeal to work harder in future.
I therefore would like to call on the stage none other than Vice Chancellor, Cluster University, Professor Sheikh Javed. Respected guest has studied at IIT Mumbai, worked at Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, has more than 100 research papers under his name in top-cited nuclear physics papers. He has done research from Oak Research Lab, Germany, worked with Nobel laureate Peter Ring, and has received the prestigious APS Fellowship, that is American Physical Society Fellowship. Sir, please share with the audience your exquisite experience.
I'm actually honored to be here because this institute actually has been started by some of our students and some of my best students actually. And so it's really a pleasure for me to be here. I heard that so many students from this institute have done so well, have qualified NEET, have qualified other national exams, and I'm very proud of my students actually who have made it possible. But I must say that the students who have made it to NEET and other national exams and have qualified, but this should be only the first stage in their career. This should not be the only goal in their career. This is just a stepping stone, because Allah has not, brought you here to just become doctors or engineers or whatever scientists, but to do something for the society. We have so many problems, and you look at the deadly diseases like cancer. We have to do something. I don't expect you to find the cure for the cancer. At least we can make some contribution, whatever is possible from our side. At least we can bring awareness among the people. We know that cancer, it is not completely genetic. It is not biological. 80% of the cancers that we know now are because of our habits, because of the environment, because of the chemicals that we deal with. So that's the way we have to bring awareness among our people. Also, what I find is that we are doing well, but not at the national, international level. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I basically belong from a rural background, a village called as Pajipura. This is in the Tehsil Chadura. Till I reached class 8th, I never knew what is doctor, what is engineer and other fields in your career. When I went to the 8th, in our days, you used to take science or arts in the 8th class. I was very good at arts, and my teachers were proud of me that I was doing very good in Urdu and all those things. There were two Hindu teachers, Shambhunath, and I'm forgetting others' name. No, these teachers were so much pressing that I must take science, nothing that they had anything. They just wanted to have something in me that he is studying well and he should take science. They were bothered about my future. I didn't have anybody at my home to guide me. You are lucky that your fathers, mothers, brothers, everybody is your guide. Your internet today is your guide, social media is your guide. We didn't have anything. My parents were illiterate, so I couldn't tell them anything, what's all happening. So when I did not come for some days, the principal of my school was Sarvanand Mam. They took a decision that how to push him that he will take science. They called me in the office and they said that your admission is cancelled from this government high school Nagam. And if you have to study here, then you have to take science. If not, then you have to go to some other high school. The other high school from my village was nearly around 14 kilometers. So I could not do that. I said, sir, I will take science. So that was my first beginning, that how I went to the science stream. You don't have those hurdles these days what to take. You are born and you know what you have to take. I said, sir, I don't know where this medical college is. These two teachers, they got a form for me, filled up in SV college, gave a person who accompanied me, and then I went to the medical college and applied there, and then I got selected. So that's how my beginning started now as a medical career.
Assistant Professor, Birwa College. Sir, please grace your presence out of the stage.
एजुकेशन के बारे में मतलब एक सवाल है जिसका मैं आपसे जवाब चाहता हूँ। मैं इस पोजीशन में नहीं हूँ कि मैं आपको कुछ सिखाऊं, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि मैं इंशाअल्लाह आपके पास से सीख के ही जाऊंगा। सवाल मेरा ये है कि जब हम रीजनल, नेशनल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर लिटरेसी रेट की बात करते हैं तो हर एक ये जानता है कि इसमें बहुत ही उछाल आ रहा है। पढ़ाई, तालीम व ताल्लुम का जहाँ तक ताल्लुक है, एक ज़माना वो था जब हमारे मोहल्लात में ये सुना गया है कि अगर किसी को कोई खत मिलता था तो वो खत पढ़ने के लिए किसी शख्स को तलाश करता था कि ये खत पढ़िए और मुझे बोलिए कि मेरे दोस्त ने या रिलेटिव ने मुझे क्या लिखा है। और आज तालीमी मैदान की सूरत हाल क्या है वो आप सब जानते हैं। लेकिन सवाल ये है कि क्राइम रेट का जहाँ तक ताल्लुक है, ये कैसे हो रहा है कि जब हम रीजनल, नेशनल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर देखते हैं तो क्राइम रेट भी इंक्रीज हो रही है लिटरेसी रेट के साथ साथ। होना ये चाहिए था कि तालीम जितनी ज्यादा होगी उतना जराइम का जो तनासुब है वो कम होना चाहिए था। ये क्या मसला है और इसकी क्या वजह है कि तालीम भी बढ़ रही है और जराइम भी बढ़ रहे हैं? इसकी वजह क्या है? मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, इसकी वजह क्या है? और अगर हम वजह की तरफ जाएंगे, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप इस पर सोचेंगे और इस मैदान में भी इंशाअल्लाह आप काम करेंगे। साइंस का तो आपको पहले ही कहा गया, लेकिन मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस मैदान में भी आप काम करेंगे। और ये मैदान भी बहुत खाली है, इस खला को भी पुर करने की ज़रूरत है। और जहाँ तक मैं समझा हूँ, थोड़ा सा जो तालीमी माहौल में बैठने का मौका मिला, एक ज़माना था जब किसी से पूछा जाता था कि एजुकेशन क्या है, जैसा आप कहते हो डेफिनेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन, तो कहा जाता था कि मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर। क्या वाकई इस जमाने में एजुकेशन मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर है? क्या वाकई ऐसा है? मुझे नहीं लग रहा उमूमी तौर पर। मैं नहीं कहता कि कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे उमूमी तौर पर ये नहीं लग रहा है कि मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर हो रही है। और इस बारे में अगर देखा जाए, क्योंकि अब मैं इस्लामियात की जब बात करूंगा मैं तासुब के बगैर कह रहा हूँ, और अगर यहाँ कोई, मुझे मालूम नहीं, अगर कोई नॉन मुस्लिम हमारा कोई बच्चा होगा, भाई होगा, वो मुझे माफ करेंगे। मैं तासुब से नहीं, अपने फील्ड के हिसाब से बोल रहा हूँ। इसका हल इस्लाम के पास था कि मतलब तालीम का कंसेप्ट इस्लाम ने सही दिया था। मैं नहीं कह रहा, ये दो बातें हैं। एक ये कि कुछ लोग समझ रहे हैं कि इस्लाम ने जो तालीम दी है बस वही है और कुछ नहीं है। मैं इस्लामियात का स्टूडेंट होने के नाते कह रहा हूं कि ये कहना सही नहीं है। इस्लाम ने हमें सारी तालीम नहीं दी है, लेकिन इस्लाम ने तालीम का सही कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है। अब ये दो बातें हैं, अगर आप इसको सही अंदाज में लेंगे तो इंशाअल्लाह बात वाज़ेह हो जाएगी। अब इस्लाम ने जो कॉन्सेप्ट दिया वो हम कब समझेंगे और उस पर अमल पैरा होंगे और दुनिया को समझाएंगे। देखिए, मुसलमानों को कहा जाता था उम्मत इक़रा। उम्मत इक़रा, उम्मत आप जानते हैं एक जमात, और इक़रा ये वो लफ्ज़ है जो पहली वही हमारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर नाज़िल हुई थी, इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़। इस उम्मत को कहा जाता था कि ये उम्मत इक़रा है, यानी एक ऐसी उम्मत जिस पर जो रेवोल्यूशन आई थी वो उसका पहला लफ्ज़ ही था इक़रा, यानी पढ़िए। लेकिन अगर आप इस वक्त देखेंगे दुनिया में कहते हैं कि उम्मतु इक़रा अक़ल्लुन नासि क़िराअतन, यानी इक़रा वाली उम्मत तालीम के मैदान में सारी उम्मतों से पीछे है।
Prize distribution. I would like to call upon stage our very own Firdaus sir to please take charge of the days for prize distribution ceremony.
We are celebrating our victory day. It is, I can't imagine the limits of my joy that we have been joined here by our esteemed guests. It's really a proud moment for all of us that we have with us here some honorable guests who have achieved a lot in their future, in their career. So there are examples, they have created examples. We should follow. This is not a joke, it is just this very extraordinary thing that we have with us Professor Sheikh Javed Saab, who has set an example, who has set standards for the success means for the Kashmiri students. We are very, very thankful to our chief guest. We are very thankful to Dr. G.N. Yatu Saab. It's a proud moment for me as well that he is from our own village. What I could have dreamed on this day, we have been joined by such a huge personality. Dear students, you need to be motivated. We have some students with us here who have not yet qualified, who are preparing for the same meeting. You need not feel discouraged. You need not feel desperate. Inshallah, next year we'd like to allow you people to be here, celebrating for you. Today we are celebrating for a bunch of students who have really makes feel proud. Hope classes has really been very proud of our students who have worked very hard, who have worked day in and day out, and make this what we call as event very successful. Now, without wasting much of our time of our guests who have, despite of their very busy schedules, who have managed to come to the Hope classes Paripura, we really feel honored, sir, due to your presence here. We are very excited that you have joined, despite of your very busy schedule, and all the gentlemen who are managed to come to the Hope classes Paripura. We again, what we call as, feel very lucky that you people are a part of this gathering. Now, without wasting much of your time, I welcome Professor Sheikh Javed Saab to the dais. I welcome Jan Yutu Saab to the dais for what we call as encouraging these students, for giving them some sort of mementos. That's really proud moment for we all. Let's have a big hand for this great personality. A big hand for this gentleman. Despite of all odds, we are still proud. Thank you, Nasir. Now I welcome Mansoor Ali, who has got third state rank. Please welcome Mita. Thank you. you have big hand for this gentle boy. They have really given us a tough time during 3 years. Okay, I'm big hand for you. Once again, I thank our esteemed guests for being a part of this occasion. Despite I have been time and again stressing these things that they have very busy time schedule. They have what you call as been here. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, once again for being a part of this event, sir. Thank you very much. Who has put a lot of efforts for this thing. He has spent a lot of time, quality time, to take this research talent test. Now I request him to, Abdul Basit is one of our students who has topped the entire list. So I request him, sir, please hand over this. Abdul Basit, he has topped this. Has been really an inspiration for all the students of the medical college. So I request Irfan Haider to come to the dais. Okay, but I have a big hand for him.
बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मतलब एज ए टीचर एंड एज ए डायरेक्टर ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन के ज़िम्मेदार होने की हैसियत से बड़ी खुशी होती है इन बच्चों को जिनको पहले पढ़ाया, 1 साल पहले हमारे क्लासरूम में होते हैं, आज MBBS क्वालिफाई करने के बाद खुद अपने हाथों से इनाम देने में एक अजीब रूहानी सुकून भी मिल रहा है, टेस्ट भी मिल रहा है और अजीब खुशी मिल रही है जो बाकी ऐसे फिज़िकल चीज़ों में नहीं मिलती। और बड़ी खुशी है कि हमारी इस वैली के बड़े टॉप एजुकेशनिस्ट्स में से हमारी पर्टिकुलरली जो हमारी शेख जावेद सर जो हमारे टीचर भी रहे हैं यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो वो भी आए तो हमें इससे बहुत हमारा मोरल इससे बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर हो रहा है। इस वक्त जो ये सेरेमनी थी खाली होप क्लास के वो स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने नीट क्वालिफाई किया और वो भी खाली MBBS वाली। हमारा होप का इस साल दूसरा साल पूरा हुआ। अल्लाह का बड़ा एहसान है कि पहले साल ही में 17 सिलेक्शन 17 MBBS में हो गए। इस साल मतलब 28 हुए। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट साल हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशंस 50 से अबो है और हमारी दिल की ख्वाहिश है कि पूरा मेडिकल कॉलेज GMC श्रीनगर, GMC जम्मू, सिक्किम्स भी हमारा इंस्टीट्यूट से ही सारे स्टूडेंट्स ही को उसको बुक कर ले।
I think Hope classes have done exceedingly well. We have almost more than 20 students who have qualified NEET. One of the premier exams of the country. Most of them joined GMC Srinagar. Some of them joined Sikkims. So I'm extremely proud of the Hope classes that they have achieved such a feat. I think for most of the students who have made it, to all these medical colleges, they should be the stepping stone actually. I think this should be their first goal. So, they have to become not just good doctors, but good human beings. That is what is important. Also they have to be known not just locally, nationally, but internationally. So this is one of the major issues that we have in our state, that we are not producing. Our students are excellent, but we are not able to guide them properly to do well at the national, international level.
आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे विक्ट्री सेरेमनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हु गॉट सेलेक्टेड इन नीट एंड जेईई 2018। पहले साल भी हमने दिया था हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज ऑफ सेलेक्शंस among all the institutes, and this year we also provided the highest percentage selections among all the institutes of the valley. इंशाल्लाह हमारी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि मोर एंड मोर सिलेक्शंस दें और अपने स्टूडेंट्स को हर एक फील्ड में ग्रो करें.